Populate return to work projections in the Duration tab by adding a diagnosis or surgical procedure. Once you click on a topic, it will be pinned below your search field. You may add multiple diagnoses and surgical procedures to the claim or remove them by clicking on the X to the right of the topic. Refine your duration projections by adding claim level information using the Refine button next to the search field, which allows you to enter things like claimant age, confounding factors, and even specify claim type as workers' comp or non-occupational disability. The diagnoses, surgeries, and claim level information you enter will affect the duration projections as well as the risk assessment score, which shows us the big picture. Relative to other claims, how high is the risk level here? This helps you prioritize your high and extreme risk cases from the start. Disability duration guidelines in ODG by MCG are represented on a dynamic timeline at the top of the Duration tab, with markers for the average disability duration, also represented by the A value, as well as the best practice, or B value, which is the number we should aim for or manage to. You may override the model by choosing a more precise scenario below. These are broken down by severity of injury and type of work, and by choosing one, the best practice goal changes. On the timeline, there is also a marker for the return to work prescription, which is an alert to export and share this information by this point in order to achieve the best practice goal. To share, click on the Print button. You can print this page as is or save as a PDF, or you can choose to export as a return to work prescription form, which allows you to enter claim information and communicate return to work goals to the treating doctor as well as the injured worker or employer or supervisor. A printable document is generated with the ODG by MCG logo so that everyone knows where this information came from, and it also includes a signature field for the treating doctor to sign off on these goals and restrictions. Back at the Duration tab, you will notice several consumer-friendly options for educating the injured worker. Short animated videos are provided on the diagnosis.
The bones that make up the spinal column are called vertebrae.
We also interface with Medline Plus, where consumer health content is provided on the diagnosis, even available in Spanish. Lastly, under Return to Health is a link to Wiser Together, which provides a consumer-facing application to help patients make informed healthcare decisions that can be easily shared directly to their patient portal. This application is available on a trial basis or can be permanently added to your subscription for an additional fee. Back at the Duration tab, scroll down to view ICD codes associated with the diagnosis, both ICD-9 and ICD-10. And even further down, you can view the activity modifications provided for modified work and manual work specific to the condition.